what's up guys? Welcome to Empire. On today's feature video, we have a very expensive Mercedes. So this is a 2015 Mercedes S65 AMG Coupe. Now, normally when you hear S-Class from Mercedes, you would assume, four-door sedan. But apparently, I didn't even know this, but about 5 years ago, 2014, 2015, they introduced the coupe version of the S-Class. And man, it is one expensive machine at $230,000 starting price. Now, today we're going to be doing a paint protection film on the full vehicle. It is about 5 years old, but the owner has kept very nice shape of it. I would hope so for being such an expensive car. Now, we're going to do every panel with XPEL Ultimate Plus, and well, Jensen's getting the PPF ready now, so let's get to it. And later on, we'll show you the finished product. Maybe go over the interior. The interior on this thing is really the key point of this. It's super gorgeous overall. So, yeah, let's get to it. So there you have it. We got the paint protection film installed from bumper to bumper. This vehicle is protected from edge to edge, roof, fenders, bumpers, doors, you name it, it's protected. There's not going to be a single rock chip on this thing in the coming years. Now the next thing we're going to move on to is protecting these. Now they do come already with the tint that's between the glass and whatnot, but we're going to add a second layer of XPEL Ultimate Plus with 98% heat rejection. So we're really going to double up and make sure this beautiful interior in there stays just as protected as the exterior. So we got the tint all finished up, and it's only 70%. When you're in a Mercedes like this, you want to be seen. You don't want to cover yourself. You want to be seen as flashy and an image. But the biggest obvious advantage is heat reduction. This is a gorgeous interior, and well, you want to keep it nice and cool for years to come. And speaking of interior, let me show you all around this interior real quick and do a quick walk around. So the Mercedes S-Class has always been known for gorgeous interiors, and well, look at some of this material. This leather is super nice. You got real actual wood. You got speakers that are, hollow grilled and everything. But a big highlight for this car is these seats. These seats are ridiculous. They're literally lazy boys in a Mercedes. Some of the detailing, the stitching and everything. Now up front you got the wood grain wheel and everything wrapped in leather. The dash cluster is crazy. It goes almost across basically half the dash, and Keep in mind, this is a 2015, so this is a bit of a dated interior and all, but it still stands the test of time. So that's about a wrap for this full paint protection film install. Let's wrap this thing up, get this thing pulled outside, and get some beauty shots going for it, and see you guys next time. Matt, go ahead and start this thing up real quick though. Sounds real nice. V12 power right here.